Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you have been wondering how to post photos on TikTok, just like a video or a slideshow, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do in the easiest way. First of all, open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on this plus icon and then just tap on this gallery icon. Now you can see your photos and your gallery. Scroll down and choose your photos. Choose one photo or multiple photos. TikTok will turn them into a slideshow. I'm selecting two. Then just tap on this next. When you are ready, just tap on this next icon or next button. Then just write here your caption. You can add a hashtag, you can mention, and all of this thing. After that, just post this. And that's it. Your photo post will now appear on your profile like any other TikTok video. So now you know how easy it is to post photos on TikTok. If this video helped you, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more simple tips. I will see you in the next video.